Okay, one bushbox XL by Bushcraft Essentials. One SE5. Nothing to do with any of these people, by the way. I just think they're brilliant bits of kit. SE5, only used for bushcraft in the woods. Do not carry it on person. Do not ding it in your vehicle. I leave it at the woods. Okay, with a kite sheath as well. Might got that wrong. One Gumboy. How the hell is it? It's a Gomboy, isn't it? One Gomboy Silky. These are absolutely magnificent saws. This is the smallest one, a 10-inch. I think it's a 10-inch blade. One GSI. I think it's the GSI. Yeah, this is a GSI. This is like a non-stick, and it is folding pan. It is brilliant as well. What else we got here? One Van Gogh Windguard. I don't think we need it too much today, but we'll see how we get on. All right, so we'll let this catch up, and then we got chili pork chops or Chinese pork chops, broad beans, sauce, and new potatoes, and I'll do them for you in a sec. The Bushbox XL comes in the same pouch. You've probably seen the videos before. I bought the extra grill, that one there. You get a couple of little tivets, there they are. Another grill on the top. You can buy these now from Bushcraft Essentials. You get the titanium one if you want to go camping with it. It's much lighter than this one. This one weighs about a pound or so. Yeah, so just look up Bushcraft Essentials. The wood I'm burning is oak because it burns much longer and slower. It's dead standing. Ooh, ow, 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 ow. Yeah, and I've done it in virtually, no, it doesn't look right, but it's the actual Swedish fire torch. So it burns from the centre out, and it does burn for a very long time. This will probably burn for at least, probably close on an hour. Okay, broad beans out the garden. I'll shell these and we'll pop them in the pan. Okay, that's spot on. Let's get cooking. So these are going to make your mouth water. I'll tell you now what I'm going to do with them. Okay, so give me a second. I'm going to split them in half first. Sprinkle. Look at this, it's beautiful. Sprinkle with garlic granules. You can't have too much garlic. And it must work. I've never been bit by a vampire, so it must work, okay? There's no two ways about that one. Followed by some freshly picked thyme out the garden. Look at this. Oh, it smells. You want to smell this, honestly. It smells better than I do. Look at that. Tiny little bit of oil. Well, enough to cook them. There we go. An absolute typical. It just started to rain, but I'm not stopping because this is. You know when they do that thing. See that? Did you see that? Did you see that? Not really good. I'm getting better at it. Really? Sorry, the camera's shaking because I haven't got my tripod. Oh, master chef, eat your heart out. This is where the wind guard comes in. Brilliant. And that means if you look well now, well, I'll just show you. Hold on a second. You see the flames? Look at that. Come on. So well, the idea is to fry them really, more than anything else. Right. Okay, you don't want to see too much sort of chatting going on. I've reserved it to a spoon now because I'm not very good at that other bit. I'll master that. I think the best way is to get some old peas, put them in the thing and practice. It don't matter then. I just tossed them really well off camera. Look at that though. Smoke. Look at them. Look at them. You know what that sound is, don't you? That's the sound of yumminess. It's spud stuff. Look at, come on guys. Now we're cooking, and we're not on gas either. So we're now going to swap that for a second for broad beans and parsley sauce. So we'll just take them off the heat. I did part boil the broad beans as with potatoes. Look at the colour of that! Right, let's get stirring because this is going to get really... Look at that already. Oops, sorry, the camera's in the wrong place. Oh, right, hold on. I don't want this to get all mushy. So, pork chops, little baby roast potatoes, which they are now, and they are being sauteed. What's the word? Sauteed? Right, whatever. In garlic. Oi! Witnesses, we've got witnesses there. Right, okay, time for plating up. So you get 2 potatoes less. No, I'm joking.
I don't want to eat colourful.
Look at that. A couple more? Yeah?
Hold it.
Right. 2 seconds. Jane always likes a sauce with a meal. That's why she has a lot. Hold on, look at this. Yeah, it's alright. So, and probably wrong combination. It doesn't matter, does it? You can do what the hell you want, actually. There we go. Oh, nice. Bon appetit, and it's still going. Look at the plenty of life left in that yet. Okay, let's do a quick taste test. We've got to do that one. Oh, look at the crunch on that. Oh, that is. Oh, you can taste the garlic. Let's try that one. Yes, look at that. Oh, yeah. It's pouring down now, but don't care. We've got to try these. Woo, sorry, mouthful. Take care. If you enjoyed the vid, please give it a thumbs up, and we'll catch you in the next one. All the best. Bye.